Bulvinaka, and good day to everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, I sincerely apologize. This would have been a great day to share a message with you in an interactive manner with all of you in person, but because of COVID-19 restrictions, we are delivering it to you via video message. Today we mark a special day for women in maritime, and we not only celebrate the day for women in maritime, but acknowledge their contribution to the industry. The shipping industry carries approximately 90% of world trade, which is crucial for the survival of the global economy. With the outbreak of COVID-19, disruptions in shipping schedules has created havoc for countries, and there is a shortage of basic supplies such as food and essential items. I raise this point to show you the importance of shipping and the role of those involved in it. And maritime or the shipping industry has been dominated by men for centuries. However, recently women are getting more involved in this industry. Of the 1.2 million odd seafarers, 24,000 or 2% are women, mainly in cruise services. And this, ladies and gentlemen, needs to change. We need to change this. Women today are excelling in every single field of work. Why not the maritime sector? We need more women to play important roles in the industry, to be in charge of a vessel and other critical roles along the value chain. I am proud to say that of the 132 staff of the Fijian government shipping services, approximately 4% are women, which is above the international benchmark of women involvement in maritime services. We have marine officers class 2, commonly referred to as chief mate. We have engine watch ratings, we have captains and cadets on deck watch. We even have women holding prominent roles in maritime and shipping policy in the public sector. Ladies and gentlemen, our theme for this year is Sustainable Workforce Promoting Equal Opportunity for Pacific Women in Maritime. I take this opportunity to acknowledge the International Maritime Organization, IMO, for their help to member states to achieve the UN 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, specifically goal number 5, which is to achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. In the Pacific region, commemorating D4WIM is key in the creating of awareness on the importance of women's participation in the maritime industry, and also to encourage women in taking up a role in maritime. In 2019, the Pacific Women in Maritime launched a regional strategy for women in maritime, a plan that guides Fiji's national efforts in progressively coordinating to work on achieving successful outcomes. This has been spearheaded by Fijian Women in Maritime, or Fiji WIMA. The regional strategy, I have been told, is the first in the global maritime community, reflecting our commitment to the empowerment of women in the Pacific and particularly Fiji. I must congratulate the Pacific Women in Maritime and the Fiji Women in Maritime for the very important role that they actually play in the maritime industry. The Fijian government is firm in its commitment to empowering women in the different sectors of the economy, and this commitment is underpinned in our National Development Plan, which states, and I quote, "Women will be empowered, allowing them opportunities for greater participation in leadership and decision-making across all sectors. Gender inequality and discrimination will be eliminated, providing women with greater choice and freedom for their participation in family and society. Women's access to education will be supported, and will their desire for fulfilling employment and career advancement." End of quote. The Ministry of Commerce, Trade, Tourism and Transport greatly supports the work of the Fiji Women in Maritime and the need to have more women in the maritime and shipping industry. Having women on board not only gives rise to inclusivity and diversity, but it brings in new knowledge, new perspective, and new ways of doing things. It is therefore my hope that in the very near future, as we continue to recognize this special day, we can see the 2% mark increase. With those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I wish everyone a happy day for women in maritime. Thank you very much. Menawa Lebu.